Hello, Aunt Tricia. This is Alvanese. Hey, thank you for sharing that wealth of information about the binge drinking, college binge drinking culture on university campuses. And I would imagine when those events occur, they're off campus because many colleges, and I'm sure all colleges, I know Albany State has their code of conduct that prohibit alcohol, consumption on campus. And when you think about it, this is underage drinking. So, but at any rate, I appreciate the statistics that you shared, and it was quite alarming to learn that over 700 um, college students are assaulted by other college students as a result of alcohol use. And then to learn that 1,500 um, students have died as a result of alcohol use, that's quite alarming. And I actually received your discussion and the information you shared as a public service announcement because there really does need to be more communication and discussion about binge drinking on campus. Yes, it's a rite of passage. A lot of them feel when they start college to consume alcohol. To have they have that sense of freedom, but there's some responsibility that comes with that, and the students need to understand drinking needs to be done responsibly. Responsibly. Moreover, they're underage, so it's illegal. So there are two websites I want to share with you on your page, and one is called, I wrote it down, World Metrics. World Metrics has statistics about college binge drinking, and you will find that information very interesting. And the other is called Alcohol Help. Alcohol Help lists some of the dangerous viral TikTok drinking challenges. And one in particular is called BORG, BORG. That's an acronym for Blackout Rage Gallon. Here, the students have this concoction they mix in a gallon container, and it has a half gallon of vodka, part water, and electrolyte. And they're thinking that the water and the electrolyte, like a Pedialyte, is going to help hydrate them while they're drinking this large amount of alcohol, and their hangover results will be minimized, but it's not. It doesn't work like that. And so in that report, it mentioned 46 students from the University of Massachusetts were hospitalized because of the dangerous side effects. One being poor judgment, high blood pressure, liver damage, brain damage, and alcohol poisoning. So, again, I receive your discussion as a public service announcement, and just thank you for your service and thank you for sharing that information.